Oop. Hello, this is Jon'Netta Tamarius. I'm sorry that you hear a lawnmower in the background, but thanks for clicking on this video. This is how I get my makeup to last in the summertime all day, and how I wear glasses, and I keep my glasses from falling off. I'm looking at my daddy. I don't know what he's doing, but yeah, keep on watching. So if you want your makeup to last like mine, then you keep on watching. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows and did my first layer of foundation, just because like that first layer is like, it's really thin, and then I'm gonna put another one on because I like to do full coverage. There it is. I can see the makeup now because that first layer is like default, like just a layer. That's done. And like I said before, it don't gotta be, it looks weird right there, I don't know, but like I said before, like it don't have to be perfect, because I said it don't gotta be perfect, but I keep doing stuff, but it don't gotta be perfect because I like cover it up with so much stuff, like literally. I'm gonna set with a Sephora face powder with a big old brush. I don't scrunch up my face or anything, just exactly where the foundation is. So next I'm gonna conceal. I really use my Morphe powder like every day in the summer because you got to. You just have to. Kind of wear glasses too. So not only do I have to put on powder to preserve my makeup, I have to keep my glasses on my face. So I really gotta focus here with the powder today. And then whenever I sweat, I think I get a lot right here. Don't they call this your T-zone? Shit, I don't know. But a little here, so I'm gonna make sure I get that real good, but under my eyes creases a lot, so I'm gonna have to get that good too. So we're only gonna do powder today. We're not gonna do like the cream contour. Like I'm not doing that. Like I literally can't. Okay. In my last video or the video before, I've been like snatching this blush back. My family came in here, but we're gonna just highlight. Beautiful. Love a natural look. Absolutely love. I absolutely adore a natural look. So freaking pretty. Okay, so we're gonna go a little lighter and take it right here. How pretty is that? And I've already like done this part, but oh my gosh, this is looking really good, really natural. Period. Looking dark there. Thanks for clicking on this video.